Hello everyone. In episode 1, we understood what really storytelling is and why it is so powerful. In episode 2, we explored the psychology behind great stories. Today we are moving into something very practical. Today's episode is about structure because emotion without structure is chaos and structure without emotion is boring. Great storytelling happens when emotion and structure work together. If you master this episode, you will know how to take any idea, any experience, any message and turn it into a powerful story. Welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. My name is Saibaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Chapter 1. Why structure matters in storytelling. A story is not just what happened. A story is how it is presented. Without structure, story feels confusing. Listeners lose attention. Messages get diluted. Structure gives direction. It guides the listener's mind from beginning to end. Structure is not limitation. Structure is freedom. Chapter 2. The three core parts of every great story. Every powerful story has three essential parts: the beginning, the middle, the end. This sounds simple, but most people fail at one of these. Let us break each one deeply. Chapter 3. The beginning, grabbing attention. The beginning decides everything. In the first few moments, the listener subconsciously asks, is this worth my time? A strong beginning must do at least one of these: create curiosity, trigger emotion, present a problem, make a bold statement. Example: I almost quit that day. This mistake cost me years. No one told me this before. The beginning is a promise. It tells the listeners, stay with me. Chapter 4. The middle, building tension and connection. The middle is where most stories fail. The middle is not about dumping information. It is about journey. In the middle you show struggle, doubt, attempts, obstacles, learning. This is where listeners emotionally connect. The middle answers, what did it take to get there? Chapter 5. The end, meaning and resolution. The end is not just the finish. The end is the point. A strong ending provides resolution, insight, lesson, reflection. The listener should feel, I learned something, I felt something, I will remember this. A weak ending wastes a strong story. Chapter 6. The hero's journey. Simple version. Most powerful stories follow a pattern known as the hero's journey. Simplified, it looks like this. Normal life, a challenge appears, resistance or fear, decision or act, struggle and growth, change or transformation. This applies to personal stories, business stories, brand stories, motivational stories. People relate to journeys, not perfection. Chapter 7. Character making stories human. Every story needs a character. The character can be you, someone you know, a customer, a fictional person. A good character is relatable, imperfect, honest. The listener must care about what happens next. Chapter 8. Conflict, the heart of the story. No conflict means no story. Conflict can be internal, external, environmental. Internal, fear, doubt, confusion. External, people, situation, failure. Environmental, time, money, pressure. Conflict creates tension. Tension keeps attention. Chapter 9. Details that make stories real. Specific details make stories believable. Instead of I was nervous, say my hands were shaking and my mind was racing. Details paint pictures. Pictures create immersion. Chapter 10. Passing, knowing when to slow down. Great storyteller control pass. Slow down at emotional moments. Speed up during transitions. Silence is also part of storytelling. Passing keeps listeners emotionally aligned. Chapter 11. Message versus story. Never start with the message. Start with story. Let the message emerge naturally. When people discover the lesson themselves, it stays longer. Chapter 12. Simple story structure you can use anytime. Here is a simple structure you can use daily. Context, where were you? Trigger, what changed? Struggle, what went wrong? Decision, what did you do? Outcome, what happened? Lesson, what did you learn? This structure works everywhere. Chapter 13. Storytelling in real life. You use stories when explaining ideas, teaching lessons, sharing experiences, convincing others. Storytelling is not performance, it is communication. Chapter 14. Common structure mistakes. mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Starting too slow, giving too many details early, no clear conflict, rushed ending, forced lesson. Clarity beats complexity. Chapter 15. Practice building structure. Take one experience from your life today. Apply the structure, beginning, middle, end. Do this daily. Structure becomes instinct. Chapter 16. Why structure builds confidence. When you know the structure, you speak with confidence. You think clearly. You communicate calmly. Structure removes fear. Chapter 17. Final thoughts. Story is a journey. A story is not about impressing people. It is about taking them on a journey. Structure is the road. Emotion is the fuel. Master both. This was episode 3 of The Art of Storytelling, the structure of a powerful story. In the next episode, we will learn the art of business and personal storytelling. If this helped you, like the video, comment I understand story structure. Subscribe to SS Words. This is Saibaz Sultani and I'll see you in the next episode.